In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove admin or accountant access in Xero step by step. Whether you're changing accountants, updating your team, or tightening up security, removing user access properly is extremely important for protecting your financial data. I'll also walk you through common issues you might run into and how to fix them, so make sure you watch until the end. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Settings. From the drop-down menu, select General Settings. Inside General Settings, look for and click on Users. This is where you can see everyone who currently has access to your Xero organization. Now you'll see a list of all active users, including admins, standard users, and advisors like your accountant. Find the user you want to remove. This could be an admin accountant, an advisor, or any other user role. Once you locate their name, click directly on their name to open their user profile. Inside their profile, you'll see their role and permissions. To remove their access, click on the Remove User button. In some cases, it may say Delete instead of Remove. After you click it, Xero will ask you to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm the removal. As soon as you confirm, that user will immediately lose access to your Xero organization. They won't be able to log in, view reports, access transactions, or make any changes. The removal takes effect instantly. Now let's quickly go over a few important notes and common issues you might face. If you're trying to remove yourself, Xero won't allow it if you're the only admin. In that case, you'll need to add another user as an admin first. Once there's at least one other admin on the account, they can remove you. If you're removing an advisor or accountant, once removed, they will no longer be able to access your books at all. This is especially important if you've switched accounting firms. If you don't see a Remove User button, it usually means you don't have the correct permissions. You need to have either the standard user role with user management access or the advisor role to remove other users. If you don't have those permissions, you'll need to contact your current admin or accountant. Another issue you might run into is a grayed out Remove button. This can happen if the user has pending transactions or unfinished tasks linked to them. In that situation, you'll need to resolve or reassign those items before Xero allows you to remove the user. It's always a good idea to regularly review your user section to make sure only the right people have access. Keeping your financial data secure should always be a priority. And that's it. That's exactly how to remove admin or accountant access in Xero quickly and safely. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Xero tutorials in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.